Review hub. Brand name, EACE. Special features, cooling and heating. Item volume, 25L. Item weight, 2.5 kilograms. Model name, R25. Volume, 20L. Voltage, 12V. Item type, refrigerators. Product features, 25L collapsible cooling and heating refrigerator. Color, blue. Refrigeration method, semiconductor refrigeration. Temperature rating, lower than the ambient temperature 15 degrees Celsius 20 degrees Celsius. Heat production is not. Recommendation, you can put some ice packs in it when you use it and it will be better refrigerated. Warm tips, this refrigerator does not freeze. It can be refrigerated. The cooling temperature is 15 degrees Celsius 20 degrees Celsius lower than the outdoor ambient temperature. Heating is not affected by the environment. Hign-concerned chemical, none. Origin, mainland China. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more video. Check description below for product link.